This 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. CTS-V Coupe 6.2L supercharged V8 engine, automatic transmission, navigation system, rear view camera, Bose premium sound system, power sliding sunroof, rear parking aid, heated front seats, memory seats, xenon headlights, adaptive light control system, power automatic windows, cruise control, dual power and heated exterior mirrors, keyless entry, keyless start, silver metallic exterior, light gray leather interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is no. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.